Hi everyone, this is Sakshi Malik and welcome back to my channel. Keeping in mind the ongoing holiday season, I've created a look that shouts festivity. I've done a soft halo look using mostly earthy tones and a pop of color for some drama. Again, using bare minimum products to keep it simple. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna prep my face with Indulgio Rose Gold Oil by massaging it into my skin. Next, I'm using the Too Faced 3-in-1 Hangover Primer Spray, which instantly hydrates and refreshes the face. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Foundation in the shade 44. I start by dotting it all over my face and then blending it out using my YBP Makeup Perfector. My concealer for today is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sand Sable. I love how this gives just the right amount of brightness and it conceals brilliantly. To set my base in place, I'm using the translucent powder from Laura Mercier. Using the NYX Matte Powder Bronzer, I'm contouring my cheeks, jawline, and my nose. For blush, I'm loving some pink today, courtesy the Too Faced Sweetheart blush in the shade Something About Berry. And my favorite thing to do, lots of highlighter using the I Heart Makeup Blushing Huts Triple Baked Highlighter. For my brows, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Pomade in the shade Ebony. I absolutely love this product. The fact that it comes with a brush makes it easier to use and carry, and the formula is waterproof and long-lasting. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Fit Me Concealer as my eyeshadow base, blending it using my blender and setting it with some powder. I'm using the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette for this look. Starting with the shade Madagascar on the crease, I'm taking it all the way from the outer to the inner corner to create that halo. Now I'm using the shade Kenya to deepen the crease contour. Next up is Sheba, which is a dull gold to match my outfit, and I'm applying this on the center of my lid. love felt tip eyeliners, especially when I want the perfect wing. The NYX Epic Ink Liner just makes the job way easier for me. The highlight of this product is the jet black color and the fact that it's long lasting. The mascara I'm using today is the NYX Worth the Hype, and this happens to be my current favorite. I always love some drama in my makeup, and that comes out with falsies. These are lashes from Mystique Hair Extensions in the type Flirty. Next, I'm using some kajal, and the one I've chosen for this look is the Urban Decay 24/7 Waterline Eye Pencil in the shade Legend. And now for that pop of color, I'm smoking out my lower lash with this lovely green, and the shade is called Egypt. Finally, to complete this eye look, I'm highlighting the brow bone and inner corners of my eyes using the shade Zuri. Last but not the least, I'm using the shade Matte Relentlessly Red by MAC on my lips. I love how this color brightens up the look instantly. And this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it and would like to recreate it in the coming days. I'd love to know what you thought of this look and what you would like to see next. Please do leave your suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!